Tired of boring old denim? Let's transform it with Rit Dye. First, wash your fabric in soapy water. This will help remove any coatings that could prevent the dye from absorbing into the fabric. Then, squeeze out any excess water to get it ready for the dye bath. To prepare your dye bath, fill a large pot with warm water. You will need about 3 gallons of water for every pound of fabric. The water should ideally be 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. Use a stove to further heat the water if needed. To enhance the color and promote even dyeing, add 1 cup of salt and 1 teaspoon of dish detergent into your dye bath. Next, we are going to add in our Rit Denim Blue Jean Fabric Dye. You will need 1 bottle of Rit Dye for every 2 pounds of fabric. We have 2 pounds of denim here, so thankfully the math is easy. Finally, submerge your fabric into the dye bath. Stir slowly and continuously for at least 10 minutes. We are going for a lighter denim look, so we removed our fabric after only 4 minutes. However, if you're going for a darker look, it can take up to 30 minutes. Once you have achieved your desired look, remove the fabric from the dye bath. Be aware that the fabric will look darker when wet and then dry to a lighter shade. Next, rinse your fabric in cool water and squeeze out any of the excess dye until the water runs clear. Finally, let your fabric dry. You can also use a washing machine to help remove any wrinkles and to lock in your dye before sewing. As you can see, with just a little bit of prep work, you can create the perfect color combination for your next sewing project. We created this garment using the Biarrtiz Skort free sewing pattern, which you can download from the link in the description below. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and let us know in the comments which fabric and dye color combinations you are most excited to try.